Michael. So there's the front. Hey, Linda. Hey, Florence. Glad you're back. So this is my front yard. Hey, Daniel. Yeah, we're in the front yard right now. So I don't think you've seen the front yard. Hi, Karen. Hi, Daniel. No, I'm in Florida now. So this is the front yard. Hey, Roy, Danielle, Pentima, Fly. So, yeah, this is the front yard. I'm in Inverness. So that's the front yard. Look at the trees. These are the trees in my front yard. And then you come around the corner. And here's where your cars are. And here's where there's grapes up there. Yes. See? There's a palm tree. 2 palm trees. I'm not complaining at my house. I look at other houses and I'm like, It's probably this thing right here. I was going to run over there. Okay, watch. Whoa, 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 whoa. Under the thing, watch. Okay. So, I have to mow all that too. Look at it. Look at it. Whoop. I have to mow all this too. All this. See? Woo, woo, woo. We're getting out of the rain here. Yeah, that's why I said, and then I gotta plant these. I should be pulling these out here like this so if they get some water. Aren't those pretty flowers? But it's like, come on. So yeah, we're trying to figure out what these plants are that are standing up here. Have you ever seen them before? Look at them. I do, it's just a lot of work. Do you know what kind of plant that is? It looks like a stalk. We're trying to figure out, me and my husband are trying to figure out what it is. Can you see it? There's like 4 of them there. Have you ever seen them? Never seen that plant before? Woo-hoo. So yeah, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna put in here. Put it right in here. Because it's like a dead area. Going down to the pool. You can't see it? It's right there. There's the top of it. Right there. Have you ever seen one? Yeah, I like this place. Just a lot of work. See it? Too much work for you. That's why I got a hubby, Karen. So see, it looks like a corn stalk. And there's one, and then there's some more over here. We've never seen them before. I'm wondering if it's a weed. Oh yeah, dogs will run right out here. Where are they at? Let's see where the dogs are. Yeah, what is that? Have you ever seen one? See it? I need somebody that knows plants. I thought it was corn at first. But there's ones here, right here, 1, 2, 3, and then there's one over there. I don't know. I'd hate to cut them down and then it was a flower, you know. I don't think it's a weed. I'm hoping it isn't. Whew. It's cooler now. Look at the dogs. What are you guys doing? What? Okay, Mom can go back on her. There we go. What do you think of that? What is it? What is it? Yeah. Was that scary? You saw my pool the other... Yeah, I was in the pool. Hey. Hey. Did you guys want something to eat? You want to see Mommy make a drink? Mommy's going to make a drink. I don't drink often, but I want some Malibu. I don't put that much in there. Hold on. Let me get my... I gotta get my thing back here. Hold on. There it is. Dark back here. Ooh. I look like crap today. Okay. Now I'm going to put this on here. We're going to learn how to make... I don't know what you call it. Hold on. I got to do this. Okay. Can you hear me? Do I have an app? No? Hold on. First you get a glass. See, there's a glass. See? You get a glass. Come on, ice. And ice. There you go. You'll see. I do 3, maybe 4. Depends on the day. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Malibu. Malibu. And then we do cranberry. Orange juice. And then you put grenadine in there. Grenadine. And then you got a drink. Look at that. We can even put an orange slice on it. What's this? We even put an orange slice on there. What do you think, Arby? Then Then you put orange slice. Which way will we go? This way? We'll go this way. There you go. See? See how easy that is? And you get your fruit too. See, so I like a lot of fruit. So you just decorate that whole thing up and see? It's a drink. I don't know what you call it. It's a Sharon drink. See? I look like crap today. Then you gotta eat. See, you can soak it in there. Oh, can't waste it. It's real orangey. It's real orangey. Yeah, it's my own concoction. Where's he working? He's out the base in Abilene. My wife is over here drinking. See, look at. We'll go back outside, see if there's more rain. You guys want to come out? What part of Florida? I'm about hour and a half from. Oh, hold on. Let me set this down. Hour and a half from Tampa. I'm north. Okay. There we go. Come on, Mal. There, are you coming? I guess he isn't. There. Trying to get to where you can see the pool. There you go. The dogs are driving me crazy. Huh? You see it? There it is. Let me tell you, if you put orange in that drink, it tastes like orange. If you slice your oranges up in there. It's like it's calmed down, and then you get out there and then all of a sudden, bam! I'm waiting for the sun to go down. I need to learn to drive down the road and watch the sunset, huh? Look at little Tucker. The girls are over here. What are you guys doing? I need to put that hammock up. Hey, Jersey, Sunshine, come here. She knows Jersey went to the bathroom on Dad's hammock. You had rain today too? How much you get? Hey, come here. Yeah, it's an enclosed one. All the way from there, all the way around, like that. All the way around to there. Keeps the mosquitoes out. I just like sitting out looking at the pool. Maybe I can get out of the pool. I don't think you drink and swim at the same time. No. Hi, Wendland boy. I don't think you can drink and go swimming would be smart. Do you? Boy. This orange is good. This orange is so sweet. I wonder if it's from Florida. Hey, Sunshine. Come on. You don't need to be in there. Hello, the only Florida Jake. We're sitting out here waiting until this rain ends. You gotta watch the periscope. Oh my goodness. I've only been here 3 weeks and I didn't realize Florida rain. Oh, we're okay. Just trying to get used to this weather here. Hello, Dee. I mean, the weather is just like, oh. I'm learning how to go out there and work in it. I guess you can only work till about 11, and then it just gets too hot. And the lightning. You have to go back and watch my first video. Oh my God. I'm trying to eat this orange. It is the best orange. Hello, Chelsea. You missed the first part. You missed the first part. Hey! Get out of there, Jersey. Get. Come here. There's what do you call it? Those cricket things or whatever they are. They're huge here. You missed the front yard. See, this is the backyard. You haven't seen the front yard yet. I'm going to see if I can find one of those. Because I killed one yesterday. I was like, I don't like bugs. See? Look how big that thing is. Look it. Look it. That thing is huge. He's dead. Look how huge. No. It's a what do you call it? Like a grasshopper. It's a huge one. Here's another one. Look at. What's this? It looks tiny, but it's not tiny. Look how big that thing is. And it's looking at me. Ugh. You know, I like all animals, but I can't deal with bugs. Nope. Oh, there's another one right there. Oh, look at the little lizard. Hold on. Watch. Look at the little lizard. Do you see him? Watch him. He's tiny. There he goes. See him? Look how tiny. I mean, he's only about 1 inch long. Now, lizards are cute. There he goes. There he goes. He's tiny. I like lizards. Lizards don't bother me. But those things, these big bugs like this, they say they want them dead here in Florida because they take over things. What's that in? Oh, you had them in Hawaii? Why did you poop on my porch? Hey. What did you do? She pooped on my porch. You pooped on my porch. No. Mommy will clean it up. No! We don't eat it. Ah! That's going to make Mommy sick. You don't eat poop. Okay, you guys want to say bye-bye to everybody? Tell Karen and everybody, tell them thanks for coming. And we're going to... No! No! Stay away from that. Yeah, she's going to try to eat it. Go inside. Go inside. Here. You done messed up. So I'll put it at the sunset over here. Hold on. Yeah, I'll probably be at Hal's tomorrow. And Scott's. I try to go there. So we try to look at the sunset here a little bit. I don't know if it's kind of glary. Is it kind of glary? There you go. Should we do that one or should we do the pool look? Maybe we'll do the pool. Okay. Whoop. Okay, everybody, I'm going to say goodbye. Have a great 4th of July. Love you all. Bye. Bye, Karen. Bye, Chelsea.